Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. I loved how much the small basket turned out in the last video. I decided to make a bigger one and line it with a tea towel. The first thing I did was cut the rug down to size to fit the larger metal basket I got from Dollar Tree. Then I hot glued the rug to the wire basket, trying my best not to burn my fingers. I also glued the rug to the bottom of the basket. I used some Dollar Tree decorative nautical rope and separated it into 3 pieces. I took the first piece and started hot gluing the basket starting at the top. I continued gluing the rope until I got to the rug. The rug wasn't exactly straight where I cut it, so I removed some of the tubes and created a straight line with the rope. I then took a tea towel from Dollar Tree and started gluing it on the inside of the basket. When I was finished, I took the tea towel from the bottom, cut it off to fit, and then hot glued the bottom of the towel together. I wanted to add something to the top of the basket to cover all the glue, so I took 3 pieces of rope and braided them together. And then hot glued it to the very top to cover the glue and the actual black wire of the basket. Like it still needed something, so I made a beaded tassel and hot glued it to the top of the basket. I thought about adding handles to the basket, but decided I liked it without the handles. Let me know in the comments below if you would add handles or leave it like it is. I simply love this little basket and have already got a place to show it off. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And make sure you sign up for my mailing list to get access to all my free printables, downloads, and other information and craft supplies for subscribers only. Thanks for watching.